Sit in Vajrasan. Your ankle and knees should be in ease. Take quadricep pose. First, be comfortable in this pose. Keep your spine in straight line from head towards tail. Okay. In this pose, anchor is your hands and knees, and pivot is shoulder and hip joint. And here, moving axis is both girdle, shoulder and hip. And movement is front and back musculature of your trunk, that is torso, along with vertical axis, that is head to tail, your whole spine. Okay. Consciously keep pushing your groin backward with lifting chest forward. From hips, pull your back muscles backward, and from tailbone, try to pull your paraspinal musculature backward. Try not to break vertebral joints, okay? Observe here. You have to learn and make these efforts from first day of your practice. This is very important that what exact efforts and its direction you make for conscious movement of musculature to get physiological benefits. This should remain automatically in your day-to-day activities. This should be our aim, okay? Now, keep your hips at the level of knees and go forward from chest with elongation your spine backward. Do not hold your breath. Normal inhalation and exhalation. See, elongate your spine backward. Open your chest forward. Don't drop your chest towards ground. Try to expand musculature front and back. It is a sliding moment. From back, it's a gravitational force going backward, and from front, anti-gravitational force towards shoulder girdle. Keep your head straight between two arms so you won't break your cervical vertebrae. Open your armpit, roll your shoulder backward, and now slowly spread your thighs outward. Continuous, you have to make the flow front and back. Direction is very important. Keep spreading your thighs outward and try to elongate your spine from tailbone. Pull paraspinal muscles from head. Keep your chest lifted forward. Roll your shoulder backward. See, continuous movement you have to make from hip girdle and shoulder girdle. With this sliding movement, like a snake, go forward. This won't be easy, but your efforts in this direction is very important and essential also. So in future, you can do this simultaneously. Keep making efforts so that rolling shoulder and hip girdle backward, continuous movement. Continuously keep moving this axis backward. Your shoulder joint and area around neck has to be comfortable, and slide yourself forward like a snake. Go forward, lift and expand your chest forward without compressing your spine. Keep elongation, continuous elongation of spine. Go forward. It's a sliding movement like a snake. It's a cobra. We are going towards a cobra pose now. Keep your legs comfortable. Go forward. See from the chest, lift your chest. Groin open. Do not compress your hip. With the elongation of spine, open your chest forward. While doing this, your hands and shoulder has to be in a comfortable and in ease. Open your chest, open your chest. This pose make your spine healthy along with all the organ systems in your body. It depends how you mature this pose, crossing its level. See how like a cobra she is elongating her spine and lifting the chest upward. Do not compress your hips and spine. Slowly go down, slide it backward with the flow. Always make effort keeping your flow of musculature. It's a sliding movement of front and back musculature. Now relax. Relax. This is a Makarasana pose. This is very strenuous, so this is an advanced pose.